Hi Fay fam, or welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. So today's video is this very highly requested hairstyle tutorial. I wore this a few weeks ago and you guys went crazy and you really wanted to see how I got this hairstyle. So today I decided, let me just recreate it and film my hairstyle tutorial for you guys. Just hope you guys really enjoy it. To be honest guys, it is so easy. It is so easy for anyone to do this hairstyle. If you are somebody who has more thin or more straight hair, you will have a little bit of a struggle with getting the volume. I will suggest getting a volumizing shampoo, a volumizing hairspray, or whatever you need to get the volume that you require for this hairstyle. But for my girls who have wavy or curly hair, this hairstyle will be super easy for you. And if you do recreate it, then please do tag me. I would love to see your recreation. So if you guys want to see how I get this hairstyle, then please keep on watching. So I just washed my hair and my hair is semi-dry at the moment. I did go ahead and air dry it, but you can definitely speed up the process and use a hair dryer. Next, I'm using my Babyliss curler. I've been using this for so many years. I will leave in the description where you guys can purchase it if you need one. Next, picking up this front piece of my hair and splitting that into 2 equal sections, and this is going to frame my face. So you guys would see that I'm not using the clip of my curler, and this way I like to wrap my hair around the barrel and use the clip afterwards to contain the heat. This way gives a very different type of curl. Instead of a lock, I want a more tight bouncy curl. Next, using the flat part of this curler, and I'm just going to press that onto my head to take away any bumps or curls or anything of that sort, because I am going to split my hair into 2 equal sections and tie up the top. I'm going to use this old brush that I've had for years and tighten and neaten that ponytail to make it smooth. Okay, so as you guys can see, my natural curls are not defined at the moment because I roughly air dried it and also brushed through it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair. As you guys can see, I'm using the same method. I'm not using the clip. Hey, who's that? So Wesley paid me a visit and he was watching my hairstyle and standing behind the camera, and I was like, okay, you need to go now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish up the rest of my hair using the same exact method, holding the curl without the clip and then just wrapping it around the barrel, clipping afterwards, and you guys can see it's a more tight bouncy curl. So before I forget, my fiance and I have a YouTube channel as well. It's called Wes and Faye, and we are holding our first ever giveaway. This giveaway is so epic, guys. It is so cool. Every one of you have to go and enter this giveaway. If you would like to see that, click on the cards right here above on the right hand corner and go and enter the giveaway. Watch the entire video so you don't miss out any rules. And yeah, go and enter that giveaway. Go after this video, of course. Okay, so back to the hairstyle. You guys can see I am done with one side. Now it's time to transform the other side. You guys can see how different both sides look and how pretty those curls are. So next up, I'm just gonna go ahead, do the exact same process, and my hair is really thick, but I wanted that volume. And if you guys have thin hair or you know, very weak hair, definitely go and try different types of volumizing shampoos. You can use hairspray. Sometimes I won't suggest hairspray because it can make your hair a bit limp depending on which type of hairspray you're wearing or using. So I would really recommend a mousse. In high school I used to use the VO5 mousse. I'm not sure if it's still available or if they still make that, but that used to work wonders for me. So try that out. Maybe it will work and hold your curls like how it holds mine. My hair texture is a lot different compared to other people. That is why my curls hold so well. My hair is very soft, but it also has an amazing texture which keeps curls and all of that into place. So I personally don't have a problem, but for some of you who need the extra help, then try out these products and try and find what works for you. My hair took about 30 minutes afterwards, but you guys, it does require a lot of patience, and if you have as thick hair as mine, then yeah girl, you are going to have very sore hands afterwards. Next, I'm going to use the flat part of my curler just to go ahead and press down any bumps underneath my ponytail. Be careful you guys don't go too close to your ears or even your scalp because you can get burnt. And that is it, you guys. I am done with the hairstyle. I'm just gonna go ahead and just set that into place, make sure that everything looks fine. This is the back, and I absolutely love how this hairstyle came out. I will definitely use it many times in future. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Fay fam, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for all of the love that you guys have given me on this particular hairstyle that I wore. I really do appreciate and love every single one of you, and your comments and messages mean so much to me. Let me know if you do create this. I will love to post it in my next video, and that is it for today's video. Bye guys.